Hey, Jefferson Multimedia, how are you doing? Let's learn some basic file management stuff when it comes to using Adobe Premiere Pro. Where can we store our videos so we can find them and so we can use them? And if you hear quacking in the background, it's just my last hour class. Everything's cool. What I want you to do is go down to the bottom of the screen. You're looking for the yellow file folder. If you ever hear me say File Explorer, go to the bottom. It's this guy right next to the white search bar. Double click and it will open up your File Explorer. Anytime we're in File Explorer, a lot of times you'll hear me talk about the left hand bar. That's this side over here. Not this side over here, but the little stripe. Look for this PC. When you come in, it might be closed. If you click on the arrow next to it, you'll get lots of options. There are two different drives I want you to look for. Some of us will have something called Windows C. Others will have Windows E. If you have Windows E, I want you to click on it. If you have Windows C, I want you to click on it. Actually, double click it just for fun. This section is only for students who have a C drive. If you have an E drive, please hold. Once you get inside that drive, there are two folders I want you to create. And you do that by right-clicking in the blank white part, and you go to New. I want you to make a new folder, and I want you to call it Video with a capital V. Then hit Return. Then right-click again, New Folder, Raw Video, and hit Return. Anything I want you to edit and work on will be in the Raw Video folder. Anything you need to work on will go in the folder called Video. So they are created. What do we do next? Go to each folder, right-click, and then create a shortcut. It will ask you, do you want to send it to the desktop? Yes, you do. So click on Yes. Then go to your other folder, right-click, create shortcut, and same thing. You want to send it to the desktop. After you do that, I want you to minimize by going up to that top right corner. Click on the straight line. It will minimize your screen. Then if you look on the desktop, your two folders are right there. C drive people, you are done. What about E drive people? Click on that E drive, go to the video folder, click and head inside there. I want you to pick the hour that you have me. I'm going to pretend I'm in second hour. Once I'm in there, I'm going to create a folder with my initials. I'm going to go inside that folder, and then I'm going to create my raw video and my video folders. Right-click and then new folder, right-click and then new folder. Create one called raw video, create one called video, and then do the same thing with the right-click, create the shortcut, send them to your desktop, and then we have all the places where we're going to store our stuff. That's all I got. Thanks. Bye-bye.